Hello friends, welcome to the next session. In the previous session, we activated our calculator in our billing software. In this session, we are going to work on currency converter option and we will see how we can change the different countries' current currency in according to their prices and according to the decided prices. So let's start working on your project. And first of all, open your project, which is already we are here right now. You will see if I play this one in the currency section, nothing is happened, no value is there. So if I will click on convert button, nothing will be happened. So I want that when I enter the amount here, then proper result will be displayed in the label. So let's start working. And a part of this, I will create one button here. When I click on that button, then this interface will be open in the front of me. So what I will do is you have to do nothing. Simply we have to click on we will take one command button here and we will cover this section with the name with that button, you see, like this. And I will change its name simply button cc. Let me give the name button cc. It means button currency converter. I change this value and caption value I will write here currency converter. Okay, I change it like this. And now simply I design the font. So let me select the font value, make it bold, Times New Roman, and here I will give little big size so that it will be displayed as a currency converter. So now this button is ready. After that, what we will do is I want when I click on this one, then the next interface will be open. So what we will do is first of all we will design the code for this currency converter button to activate this, and then later on we will create more code. And when I said I click on close button, then again this button will be appear. So what we will do is we will simply double click on currency converter section on button cc. In button cc we will write button cc dot. What will happen is it should be visible and it should be became false. By default its value will be false. By default this button will be activate. And then what we will do, we will go back to our object and simply drag this little and double click on close. And now you will write here the button name button close. Okay, let's say I given the name button close, and I will write already given the caption property. Now double click on button close, and here you will write button cc dot visible is equal to true, because that means when I click on close button, then currency converter will be activated, currency converter button will be activated. And when I click on currency converter button, then this close button will be this property will be became false. So click on close, it is true now. So let's see the result. Before come to the result, simply you cover your area like this. And now let's play the software, and you will see when you click on currency converter, this interface is coming and your button is gone. Now when you click on close button, again currency converter button will be activated. So in this way we can hide our button and we can open this particular interface based on our requirement. So after this, what we have to do next, we have to activate the remaining section. Now what we want to do, I want to add the country's name in my combo box. So what I will do is I want when I load the form, then automatically the names will be displayed here. So what we have to do is we have to add the values in the property user form initialization method. So click anywhere in the user form, double click, and from the user form you have to select the initialize method, because on load we want all the countries will be coming in the combo box section. So on load we want all the values, so that's why I'm going to select initialize. So select initialize of user form, this is the area, and here we are going to define the countries which values, which currency we want to change. Before start the coding, first of all what we will do is we will go back to view object and we will change the name of our combo box, because right now it is combo box 2. So let's give the name combo box cmb combo box, and we will write here combo box, let's say I give the name convert. Okay, because it is a currency converter option, so let's give the name convert. So now what we will do is we will simply go to again double click on user form and go to initialize method. Okay, we are in initialize section here right now. Let's delete it, this section. I don't want to use this section. So in here, first of all what I will do, I will add the values now. So to add the values, what I will do is I will write here cmb, because our convert, it is the name of our combo box, its text value by default, what value will come in the combo box? Selection option. So I will write select. Okay, let's say selection. Okay, then after what I want is I want item will be added. So we are going to add the name of the country. So I am writing cmb convert dot add, convert spellings are wrong, dot add item. Okay, equal to what you want to, we are not using equal, so here simply start the bracket, and here we'll define the first country, let's say Brazil. Okay, we have Brazil currency. Okay, okay, next we are going to add another country, which is your, let's say, Canada. So let's say Canada. Okay, then next we have, after this we have India. Let's add India here. Okay, okay, now next we have India is done. Now after this, what do we want? We have Nigeria. Okay, then we will create Indonesia. Okay, Indonesia is done. Next item we are going to add Philippines. So you will write Philippine here. Okay, Philippine. Okay, next we are going to add USA. So write USA. Okay, so like this I have generated the countries. Now let's see the output on the load of the program. When I click, so you will see now all the countries are added in your combo box section. So in this way we have added the value here. Now what I want next is when I click on the convert button. So when I click on the currency convert button, then our currency will be converted. So let me select the convert button here, and here I will write the name button convert. So let's change the name button convert. Okay, and we have to double click on convert section, and here we are going to define first the variable. Again we will go back above, and under this we will define the variable here again. So first we have used dm, we have US dollar, so we have defined US dollar as a, because we have current country with the name of USA, so in USA US dollar is applicable. So US dollar we have defined. Second currency we have defined Nigeria. For Nigeria we have Nigerian naira we are using, so we are writing Nigerian underscore naira. So you will write here, okay, naira as a double. Again we have to define as a double. Okay, next we have Kenyan. We have Kenya also. If you check if there is no Kenyan ceiling, so we will define one DM. We will write here Kenyan. Okay, ceiling. Okay, let's say Kenyan ceiling as a double. Okay, then after we have Brazilian real, so you will write dim Brazilian underscore real as a double. Okay, then after we have Canadian dollar, so we have write Canadian underscore dollar as a double. Okay, if next we have dim Indian currency, we have Indian rupee as a double. Okay, after that we have Philippines, so we have write dim Philippine peso, because peso is applicable in Philippines, so write double. Okay, then we have Indonesian currency, so dim Indonesian underscore rupiah, okay, as a double. Okay, so how many currencies we have defined? We have defined 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 currencies we have defined, and we will check in here also how many countries we added. We have added 3 6 7 and 8. Okay, so like this way we have added all the currencies. Now what we will do is we are going to, next part is we are going to work on a convert button. So let's go back to the object easily and click on convert section, and here we will define our code for our currency converter. We forgot one country name here because we have defined Kenya also. So let me select here, simply select Control C, Control V, and add here Kenya also. So let's say Kenya. Okay, so we have defined Kenya. Now that's fine. Now what we will do is we will go back to our object and we will click on convert button, and now here we are going to work the remaining section of our project. So first of all, what we will do is we will create a variable with the name of British pound, because we are going to add all the values in British pound format in the billing section. So I will create a billing pound as a double. Okay, I have done this. Now after that, what I want is I said British underscore pound, which variable I have declared, its value is equal to what? Its value is equal to text. Whatever value you are going to type in text, convert dot text. So right now you see it is not working. By because we have gone to object and we have to change the value of this text box. So here we will write here, you have to write text convert. Okay, so give the name text convert, and here we will write E is missing, make sure it should be proper, convert, and in the label we will write here LBL convert. Okay, I give the name here. So simply double click on convert, and here you will, if you will type again, so you will see his value will be properly came. So you will write here text convert dot text. Okay, it is coming like this. Now what I want to do this, now I want to define the currency rate. So first variable we have defined with the name, let me copy all the variables from above so that there will be no problem came to us. So let's copy this, Control C, and go back to your convert section where you have the convert button. Let's see, this is the convert button. So what we will do is we will define their values and range. So let's delete this. US dollar is equal to what? Let's say US dollar according to British pound, if you are comparing with British pound, so it should be equal to 1.532 rupees. Okay, okay, so next we have next option, we have Nigerian naira. Nigerian naira will be equal to 302 point, let's say I will give 300 is equal to 302.96. okay, 1 British pound. Okay, then we have next option Kenyan shilling. So Kenyan shilling I will define here as a I will equal to Kenyan shilling, I will write 156.21. okay, let's say. Then we have Brazil real. So Brazil real I will define equal to Brazil real is 5.86. okay, next we have Canadian dollar. So let's select Canadian dollar also and assign its value. So let's say is equal to 2.03. okay, 1 British pound. And next is we have Indian currency. In Indian currency the rate of British pound is more, so here I will write the value, it is equal to 100 rupees. So let's say it is equal to 101.74 exchange rate. okay, then we have next value Philippines peso. So Philippines peso is equal to, let's say, 71.74. okay, let's I define this. And finally we have Indonesian rupiah. So Indonesian rupiah is equal to, let's say, you can take is equal to 20746.75 Indonesian rupiah, 1 British pound. So in this way I define all the values of our variables. And next we are going to apply a if condition, because you are going to select one country at a time to change the money value. So let's see how we can do this. We will apply the if condition because we have a number of selections of the country here. So one by one we will define the code for each country, and we will continue this work in our next session. I hope you are following my steps and you are also designing the same software. So please keep continue and keep watching. Thank you very much and have a nice day.